everyone, welcome back to Zero to Zest, the channel where we turn dreams into reality with mindset, business strategy, and personal growth. Today's topic is something a lot of people secretly struggle with: why your manifestation isn't working and how to actually fix it. You've probably tried affirmations, vision boards, journaling, maybe even scripting under a full moon, but nothing's really changed in your life. Frustrating, right? Well, today I'm going to break down exactly why manifestation often fails and, more importantly, how to make it finally start working for you. Let's dive in. 1. Manifestation isn't magic, it's alignment. Let's start with a little tough love. Manifestation is not about wishing and waiting. It's not about saying, I'm rich 100 times in the mirror while your bank account is still in the negatives. Manifestation is alignment. It's aligning your thoughts, emotions, and most importantly, your actions with the reality you want to create. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. That's the real secret. If you say you want success, but deep down believe you're not good enough, if you visualize a dream life but never take a single step toward it, you're out of alignment. And that's why manifestation fails. 2. The 5 reasons manifestation fails. Let's break down the top 5 reasons your manifestation might not be working. Number 1. You're manifesting from lack. When you say, I want money, the universe hears, I don't have money. That vibration, it's scarcity and it repels abundance. Instead, start feeling as if it's already done. Feel gratitude now, not just after the goal is reached. Example: don't say, I need a relationship. Say, I'm ready to give and receive love deeply. Number 2. Limiting beliefs are running the show. No matter how many affirmations you do, if deep down you believe, I'm not worthy, money is evil, success comes with suffering, you will unconsciously block your own progress. Tip: pay attention to your inner dialogue. Your subconscious is always listening. Number 3. You're obsessed with the how. Manifestation isn't about controlling how your dream happens. It's about setting the intention, taking aligned action, and letting the universe fill in the rest. Don't micromanage the miracle. Let go of the how, focus on the what, and become the who. Number 4. Inconsistency and desperation. If you're jumping from method to method, scripting one week, visualizing the next, and quitting halfway, you're not giving energy time to build momentum. Worse, if you're desperate, your energy screams, I need this to happen or I'm screwed. That's fear based energy, not abundance. Be consistent, be calm, be trusting. Number 5, you're not taking any real world action. You can meditate all day, but if you're not applying for the job, pitching your business, or improving your craft, you're just daydreaming. Manifestation without action is fantasy. Combine mindset with movement. That's when magic happens. 3. How to fix it. Real manifestation that works. Let's get practical. Here's a step by step framework to make manifestation finally work for you. Step 1. Clarify the vision. What exactly do you want? Be specific. Don't say, I want more money. Say, I want Rs 200,000 a month from my online business by DEC 2025. Step 2. Clean the mindset journal your limiting beliefs. Ask, where did this belief come from? Is it really true? What's a better belief I can choose instead? Replace, I'm not good enough, with, I am growing and becoming more capable every day. Step 3. Feel it daily. Use visualization, gratitude, and affirmations, but feel the emotion behind them. Act like your success is already happening. The goal is to vibrate at the level of the result you want. Step 4. Take aligned action. Ask, what would the future version of me do today? Then do it, even if it's uncomfortable. Future you already has what you want. Start showing up like them now. Step 5. Let go and trust. Once you've done your part, don't obsess. Let go of the timeline. Let go of control. Trust that your energy and action are creating results, even if they're invisible for now. 4. Real talk. Why patience and faith are non negotiable. Here's the truth nobody wants to say: manifestation works, but it doesn't always work fast. You're not failing, you're just being prepared. The universe isn't punishing you, it's shaping you to hold the blessing you're asking for. If you give up too soon, you miss the magic. So stay in the energy, keep showing up. Success is not just in the result, it's in who you become on the way. So, to recap, if your manifestation isn't working, it's not because you're broken. It's likely because you're manifesting from fear or lack. You're not aligned in belief or action. You're holding on to limiting stories, or you've forgotten to trust the process. But now, you know how to fix it. Let me know in the comments. Which part hit you the hardest? And what are you manifesting right now? If you got value today, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more content like this, and share this with a friend who's ready to manifest their best life. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay aligned, stay powerful, and go from zero to zest.